Right, in this video we're going to be taking a look at the protocols HTTPS, SSL and TLS. So to understand what is HTTPS, we must first understand what is HTTP. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol, and it's commonly used to access websites. So websites, what is a website? Well, websites are HTML pages stored on a web server accessed by HTTP. So hopefully now you can see the relationship between HTTP and HTTPS. So on this web server here, we have HTML pages. Client A, let's call him Client A, wants to access HTML files, so he wants to access a website on the web server. He connects through the internet, and remember the internet is just a bunch of interconnected routers from ISPs, internet service providers, and HTML. So HTTP will transfer HTML unencrypted. So that's the main point to remember. So HTTP, that's the point to take home, is that HTTP will transfer this data over the line in clear text. So is that secure? For blogs or for non-confidential information, that's absolutely fine. You wouldn't mind anyone sniffing your packet or understanding or making sense of your data traveling through the internet, traveling through the lines. You wouldn't mind. However, if you need to send confidential information such as bank details or other sensitive client information, most information we don't want it to be comprehended by a middleman attacker. So the protocol HTTPS was invented. So HTTPS. Now that S there stands for secure. So it's just a modification of HTTP to make it more secure. SSL, Secure Sockets Layer, is the protocol that makes HTTP secure. So SSL. And what SSL does in a nutshell is it builds a secure tunnel. So it builds a secure tunnel. It's a secure, protected tunnel across the internet. So going back to the example of the web server, this is what it would do. It would create a private tunnel across these routers, encrypted, and the data can only be understood by the client and the web server. Now, SSL doesn't just create a secure, protected tunnels for just HTTP. Rather, you can use it to connect to a VPN provider. So if you've got your VPN provider, so NordVPN, you would create an SSL tunnel as such, and the VPN provider would make internet searches on your behalf. So this would mask your IP address and be utilizing the IP address of the VPN. And that would all be sent through an encrypted channel such that no middleman could understand and comprehend the traffic that goes through the internet, because only the client and the server would understand, would be able to de-encrypt the data. Additionally, firewall, a company firewall, an SSL tunnel can be built to connect to a firewall, and that would allow you to access company resources. So your databases here, your storage, your file servers, etc. And lastly, what is TLS? Transport Layer Security. TLS is just the old name for SSL before it was acquired by IETF in 1997. So essentially, TLS and SSL are pretty much the same thing. I hope you benefited from this short video. Thanks for watching.